guide and hacks. Know what to do's and don'ts in periods. Maintain a good hygiene. Use sanitary pads, tampon, period panties, menstrual cup, whichever you feel comfortable with. Wash your hand before and after using the washroom and new products. After use, wrap them with a toilet paper, any paper, and throw it in trash bin. Do not flush out. Change your pads every 5 hours. If you have heavy flow, you may need to change it frequently. Keeping it for too long time, it may cause infection, odor, irritation. Always try to use unscented pads, because scented hygiene products can make your skin irritated. Wear lightweight, breathable cotton undies. Wear only black, not any other color, because it shows stains clearly. Drink enough water. It helps to flush out all your toxins easily. Monitor your period cycle. Download a period tracking app on your phone, or you can track it on your calendar also. Take a nice warm bath during your periods can help to relieve menstrual cramps, helps to relax muscle, reduce tension. Warm bath can be a soothing and comforting way to manage your irritation and mood swings. Engage with some yoga, stretching, breathing exercises. It helps to reduce body pain, stress, mood swings, helps you to feel relaxed. Walk in nature. Create your own cozy place. Wear comfy pajama. Grab your fave warm drink and snacks. Sit and enjoy the mesmerizing sunset. Journal your period days. Journaling your cycle means understanding your body well. Period is not about the scared blood flow. It's about your body started blooming in magical way. Every day when you are in your period is a magical blessing. Capture it in your journal. Water-rich food and vegetables. Make your intestines super cool. Reduce body odor, hydrated. Manage symptoms like fatigue or discomforts. Eat dark chocolate. It helps your muscles to feel relaxed and slow down your cramps, but don't eat too much. Drink warm flower tea. It helps you to soothe your pain. Grab a good nap when you are chumming around. Sleeping is the easiest way to relax your body and mind. If you use pads, have them in different sizes to wear during heavy or light flows. Carry a period kit with you when you go out. For travel, school, or wherever go. Don't worry girls, I'll tell you how you can make a period kit. Let's make a period kit. Must use hot water bags. It helps in relieve your cramps. Self-care is essential. Benefits of period kit. It allows you to be ready for your period, whether it's expected or unexpected. It helps you to maintain a proper hygiene during your menstruation, minimize the risk of infections and discomforts, make you anxious-free if you are out of home. Say big no to packaged food and soft drink. Don't wear pads more than 6 hours because it can cause infection. Don't consume anything cold like ice cream, cold drink, chilled water, sweets, because it increases your pain and create imbalance in blood flow. Skip caffeine in those days, it makes the cramps worse. Never flush out your sanitary products on toilet. Avoid cleaning your intimate area with soap or any antiseptic intimate wash products. It can disturb the natural pH of your skin. It's a self-cleaning organ and water is enough for it. Don't isolate yourself during periods. Spending time in nature is good for your mood and body. Don't smoke, drink alcohol. Try to avoid excess sugar and salt content food. Don't force yourself to do any work when you are on your month. Physical and mental relaxation is must on your period's time. Don't stay up late at night. Avoid heavy workout, light yoga is okay. Don't socially distance yourself during periods. You are going through a natural process. Don't feel shy to discussion about periods queries with your mother, friends, sister doctor, whom would you feel comfortable. Don't hold yourself from using restroom for the fear of hygiene and infection. It may cause severe problems.